Welcome to the breathtaking landscapes of Croatia, a land where ancient history meets stunning natural beauty. Dubrovnik, the pearl of the Adriatic, stands majestically with its well-preserved medieval architecture and dramatic sea views. This city, encased in formidable walls, offers a journey back in time with every stone and street. Stroll through the Straighten, the main street of Dubrovnik, where the blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque architecture tells tales of a rich history. Venture to the islands of Hvar and Korčula, where time seems to slow down. Hvar, known for its vibrant nightlife and lavender fields, offers a mix of excitement and tranquility. Korčula, with its medieval squares and dense pine forests, provides a serene retreat. Journey inland to Plitvice Lakes National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where nature's artistry is on full display. Here, 16 terraced lakes, connected by a series of waterfalls, create a cascading symphony of water and greenery. Rovinj, a gem on the Istrian Peninsula, captivates with its colorful buildings, narrow streets, and charming waterfront. The town's vibrant hues reflect in the calm waters of the Adriatic, creating a picturesque scene that's straight out of a fairy tale. Split, home to the ancient Diocletian's Palace, blends Roman history with vibrant modern life. Wander through the palace's labyrinthine corridors and bustling squares, where past and present coexist harmoniously along the scenic waterfront. The Makarska Riviera, with its pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters, is a paradise for sunseekers and adventurers alike. Nestled between the towering Biokovo mountain range and the Azure Sea, this stretch of coast is perfect for relaxation and exploration. From ancient cities to natural wonders, Croatia's diverse landscapes offer an unforgettable adventure from above. Each region, each city, tells a unique story, woven together by the rich tapestry of Croatian culture and history. Thank you for joining us on this aerial journey through Croatia. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible adventures from around the world. See you in the next video.